Hey guys, what's going on? So do you want beautiful St. Augustine grass? Well, here's the 3 things that I use to keep my St. Augustine looking great all year long. If you follow the tips in this video, you'll have great looking grass. All right, so there's 3 things you need. You need a pesticide, a weed and feed, or 2 for that. You can either get a single weed and a single feed, or you can get a weed and feed, a pesticide, and a fungicide. Okay, living in Florida, we have a lot of people with St. Augustine grass. So what I like to use is Lasco St. Augustine Weed and Feed 2003. And this is a really good one. It's a deep green concentration. It controls all of the weeds that we're used to, like clovers and dollar weeds and dandelions. Plus it's a non-burning slow release. The next thing we're gonna need is a fungicide, because in Florida it gets super humid, super hot. We have a lot of hurricanes, so we can't control the weather. So our yards are very susceptible to different things like brown patch and dollar spot. So we need Disease X by Scott's. This is about $42. This is about 20 bucks. And then your pesticides, you can really pick anything that you think will work. But I like using the Pesticides granules. Tricide. I can't say it. Insect killer for lawns. It kills your chinch bugs, your grubs, your mole crickets, the fleas, the ants, everything that's going to damage your yard. And that's about 20 bucks as well. All you have to do is literally follow the instructions on the back for the proper spraying. So with the disease, it's different. So you have a preventative and a curative rate. These two, you have a standard rate. And I always buy the bigger bags because you get more for your money. So for under $100, this will treat your yard for anywhere from 3 to 9 months. I go every 3 months and redo an entire application of it. And also depends on the size of your yard. I have, 10,000 square foot or so. So this will be plenty for my whole yard for right now, because we actually don't need the Disease X until we start seeing it, or we feel like the hurricanes are coming. Then we'll start spraying it out very, very slowly. The insecticide, we literally just go a light pass every 3 months on. And then the weed and feed, I like to do that every 3 months just to be safe. I actually know people that do the Scott's weed and feed every 2 weeks. It's awesome to do it, but it's very expensive. You're gonna be spending $30 every 2 weeks to every month. Now, with that being said, we've sprayed our yard with those 3 chemicals. All the granules are out. How do we water? So with St. Augustine, you need 1.5 inches of rain. So what you'll do is you'll get a measuring cup and you'll put it in the middle of all your sprayers. So like right there, that's the middle of my yard. I'll go ahead and put a cup out there. And when it hits 1.5 inches of water, I'll cut the timer off, and that's how long, sorry for the shakiness, that's how long I'll need a water for. Now, some other areas don't need as much water and some need more. So just be aware of that. Now, how many times a week do I need to water? If your yard looks rough, you're gonna wanna do it about 3 times a week in the beginning. Once your yard is nice and healthy and can hold water down, or you've got a good cow manure layer, like some black cow laid down, or some topsoil, then you can water once a week and you'll be golden. And depending on if it's raining or not. So if it's raining, I'm not gonna water that week, because I have really good topsoil in my yard, and every year I put down a little bit of cow manure just to help any areas that are struggling. So give these tips and tricks a try and let me know if you have any questions below. I'm sorry for the camera being so shaky, but I don't have my tripod out here. And as always, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Might want to hurry up and do it before I go completely gray. I'm not far away at 28.